we can continue with the movie later. On the journey to life's highway, keep your eyes upon the goal. Focus on the donut, not upon the hole. Words with a deep meaning indeed. The message underlying this quote is just that you must know your destination and keep your eyes firmly fixed on it. We all remember the story of Guru Dronacharya and his popular bird's eye test that he gave to his disciples, the ancient wisdom of focus, direction, and attention holds true even today. If you are focused upon your goal and know the direction to go into, no impediment in the world will be able to stop you from achieving your goal. On this note now, we start with the program of the day. On behalf of the management, faculty members and staff, I extend a very warm welcome to our dear students of the batch 2020. My name is Gurmeet Sodhi and I am the head of the management department. You are all now an integral part of the extended family of GIMS and we are indeed very happy to see you. To begin with, I'd like to congratulate you all for having made through the entrance tests to join the courses of your own choice. On behalf of the entire fraternity of GIMS, I wish all the best to all of you for the next 3 years. Embarking on this new journey, you'll be assisted both by the faculty members and the management. This day is meant not just to orient you to the environment of the college, but also to allow you to interact with each other as friends and batchmates. The next 3 years of your life are going to be decisive and crucial in terms of the careers that you will be pursuing later in life. It would therefore be important for you to take your classes and your teachers seriously. This, however, does not in any way mean that you cannot enjoy life. Have fun, make friends, but do not lose your focus. Keep moving towards your goal with a firm commitment. Now we'll begin with all the department heads introducing themselves. And of course, I'll begin with my introduction. I'm Gurmeet Sodhi, the head of the management department. I hold a master's degree in English and I'm pursuing my PhD in ELT from GD Goenka University. I have 19 years of teaching experience and 5 years of industry experience with me. I look forward to meeting you all in the virtual classroom from the 1st of September, that is 20. I now request HOD IT to introduce herself.
This is Dr. Artna Chaturvedi, Head of the Department of Information Technology and Software Development. I heartily welcome you all. Let me for introduction about me, myself, postgraduate in mathematics as well as computer application. I am PhD. I have done my research work in Hadoop distributed file management system, wherein I propose security solutions for Aadhaar. And I believe in this that technology is all around us, and you can see that every person who is there in this world, in this country, is logical. Only the thing is, before entering into this technical world, you have to start thinking with your own logic. Try to implement that. Never say no. Don't get into fear of this, that I'm not able to do this thing, or I'll not be able to do this, is new for me. This is new for everyone. Just come, bring yourself out from the fear, start doing the things by your own, start implementing your own logic, and you will definitely be successful. So with these words, I just again want to heartily welcome you all. All the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request HOD Mass Communication to introduce herself.
And a very, very warm welcome on behalf of the GIMS family. I am the head of the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. I have 7 years of experience in teaching and over 25 years from the industry. I have my master's from the University of Queensland, Brisbane, Australia, and I'm pursuing my PhD with GD Goenka University. So once again, a very, very warm welcome to the adventurous journey that you'll have with GIMS. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite Mr. Gurmeet Singh Kohli, the HOD of Hotel Management Department, to introduce himself.
It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome each one of you most profoundly to GIMS VK2 campus. I am Gurmeet Singh Kohli, head of the Department Hotel Management. I hold an MBA degree from IITTM in Tourism and Travel Industry Hospitality Management. Besides that, I do hold post-graduations in public relations. I do hold French certification from GNU Academy of Foreign Language. As far as my experience is concerned, I've got behind me 10 years teaching experience and 15 years industry experience. I've started my career as a domestic crew, Sahara Airlines. I've worked in Taj Mahal Hotel, Taj Palace Hotel, Grand Hyatt Hotel for the position of manager front desk, manager concierge, manager airport operations. Past 6.5 years, I've been associated with India's premier education institute, Jagannath Institute of Management Sciences, for holding head of the department position. I welcome you again to the most wonderful years of your life in GIMS. Best of luck to each and every one of you for your 3 years, the most knowledgeable here at GIMS. Stay safe and protected with your family. God bless.
Thank you, sir. I now request HOD Interior Design Department to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, I'm Swati Parvatiyar, HOD Interior Design Department. I have 22 years of industry experience and 10 years of teaching experience. I have done lots of projects starting from Taj Hotel Madurai to Leelavati Hospital Mumbai. So I welcome all of you to the world of design, creativity and imagination. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. We wish all the students the best of the 3 years in the college. Now it is time for us to meet the director of the college. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our director, Dr. Professor S.K. Dogra. He is not only the director of the campus, but also a very fine professor of marketing. Many of the students in the campus will have the opportunity of studying marketing from him in times to come. Welcome, sir, to the orientation ceremony of batch 2020.
Thank you so
Dr.
much.
Professor Satish Kumar Dogra has 20 years of work experience in the UTI Mutual Fund and 17 years in education sector, with teaching stints in Trinity University, Ford School of Management, and 16 years of GIMS Vasantpur. His qualifications include MCom from University of Jammu, MBA from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and PhD from BBS Purvanchal University, Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. His last position was with UTI as Vice President Northern Zone based in New Delhi. Widely traveled for various marketing initiatives within India and abroad. He has worked in various departments of marketing, branch operations, customer services in UTI branches in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh, and Shimla. His areas of expertise in teaching are marketing and business management. May I now request you, sir, to address the students.
Okay. Today is the day when a new group of students have joined this family, and I welcome all of you to this journey today. All of you are, very, very dear to your parents. Even if I say very dear raised to the power 100, it will not be wrong. But there is a catch here. From today, somebody is entering your life in the college, which are me and my faculty members. We are here to treat you as very, very dear from today onwards till rest of your lives. Because when you will spend 3 years with us, we will have a lot of discussions, we will have academic learning, we will have educational trips, we will have guest lectures, so many activities we will involve you all in. And that is why your journey from today is going to become very, very pleasurable, very, very creative, very, very wonderful. But one thing, some of you may be thinking that the college life here will be like a Bollywood movie where they show so many things, but that will not be available entirely. But a part of it, we will provide you an opportunity to enjoy your college life in the best possible manner. And we will also advise and, tell you that enjoy your college life with us take part in all the activities, right? And we will ensure that you have very good times. From today, you have already passed from your schools. So from today, all the limitations of schools will go away. There will not be a school bag, very heavy one. There will not be even school bus. There will maybe not be tiffin also, school tiffin given by mother. And there will not be a controlled environment like a school where the gate was closed from inside. But there is a caution here. You will get freedom from today. All these things will not be there, and you will be having certain new things. Some of you must have, negotiated with the parents to get you a bike, motorbike, or even a car to go to college. And some of you must have been given by now. And some of you will travel by metro, which will start from 7th September. But we will be holding online classes till the next notice is given by us. All of you have to take the classes online, and our teachers, all faculty members and HODs will be taking your classes, sitting at home, and you will not have any problem at all. 3 years with us. It's a not very, very long journey, but the journey is for 3 years. You will be a graduate after 3 years, and you will have a graduate degree in hand. For that degree, we have to involve you in many, many activities. First is academics. First job is to study, to learn academics. Then we will also, give you an opportunity of taking part in sports activities wherever you are best in. We'll also give you opportunity to take part in cultural events. Some of you may be very good dancers. Some of you may be very good singers. Some of you may aspire for, taking part in fashion show. All these things we will arrange for you, and we will also arrange education trips. We'll also arrange debates. Some of you may be very good debaters. Some of you may also take part in group discussions, seminars, right? All these things will be available for all of you. And I will promise you that all our faculty members, including me, will, give you all the theoretical knowledge along with the practical knowledge and along with examples. Your course will be, your subjects will be full of examples, maybe case studies also. I have told you that we will not be only giving you academic knowledge, but we will definitely involve you in so many activities, and you will have a balanced life of 3 years with us. Okay, students, once again, welcome to Jim's family and Jim's Vasant Kunj too. And definitely, I'm very eager to meet all of you. Okay, thank you so much for joining our college. And once again, lastly, I wish all of you very best for next 3 years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now we'll continue. We are very happy to have with us Chairman JIMS, Dr. Amit Gupta. Welcome to the Orientation Day ceremony of JIMS VK2. It is indeed a great honor and pleasure for me to introduce the Jagannath Gupta Memorial Educational Society and the Chairman of JIMS Group of Institutes, Dr. Amit Gupta. With a firm belief in the philosophy, better education, better life, Jagannath Gupta Memorial Educational Society, a non-profit organization, has been imparting high-quality professional education for more than 2 decades in Delhi NCR and Jaipur. Endeavoring to reach all those who nurture the desire to become competent professionals, the Society can today feel proud of its 6 institutes in Delhi NCR and universities in Bahadurgarh and Jaipur. The story of the origin of JIMS dates back to 1993, when the sharp vision of its founders translated a dream into reality. Beginning with a modest number of students, the organization can today boast of its strength. The credit for bringing this noble venture to life goes to our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Dr. Amit Gupta. Dr. Amit Gupta is not only an eminent educationist, an outstanding scholar, but also a keen sports person and a prominent philanthropist. He's had a brilliant academic career. He's a commerce graduate from the reputed Sri Ram College of Commerce of University of Delhi and an alumnus of IIFT, where he did his master's in international business. His doctorate was awarded to him by GGSIPU. It is under his able leadership that JIMS group of institutes has made great strides and risen to rank amongst 20 best B schools in India. Dr. Amit Gupta is a member of many prestigious national committees of GGSIPU, NHRDL, AIMA, AIMS, and so on. He has been honored with many awards, including one of the 2000 Outstanding Intellectuals of the 21st Century, bestowed by International Centre, Cambridge, UK. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. May I now request you to address the students.
Thank you, Gurmeet, for this wonderful introduction, and a big hearty welcome to all the students, to the members of our JIMS family. We always meet physically every year, and it's a wonderful, vibrant situation when we meet at the campus. But somehow, because of COVID, we are meeting online. But we would try and ensure as a team that, we maintain the similar energy. Tell me, students, how many of you have heard of the concept VUCA? VUCA. We call it a VUCA environment. At present, all of us are facing a VUCA environment. As the term suggests, VUCA, V stands for volatile. Today the environment is volatile. U stands for uncertain. C stands for challenging. And A stands for ambiguous. So basically today nobody knows what is going to happen next week, what is going to happen next month. So a lot of students who could not really, face these challenges either got into, some kind of a negative mode. But at the same time, there were a lot more students, especially I'm happy to do that, our own gym sites, that they've accepted these challenges. And what have they come out with? They've come out with a new term for VUCA. What do we mean by V? Vision. I think it's very important that during these challenging times, we have a new vision. Vision could be that, okay, I'm going to save 2 hours of my commuting. On an average, students are commuting for 2 hours, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the evening. And I'm going to use this time for my general reading habits and for my physical fitness. All of you feel that, yes, these 2 hours will be saved in my daily lives. I can use them for either my physical fitness or my general reading ability. So you need to have a different vision to make the best use of this. What could we mean by you? Positive quality. All of you feel that you're unique. Maybe, some of you are friends who've taken admissions. You know your friends already, you are different from them. So what is that unique quality we have, which we can convert that into an asset, into an advantage? Third, competence. What is your strength? What is that ability, that skill you have? As a student in school, you would have learned so many things. But last, but not the least, A stands for action. You may have a wonderful vision, you may have a lot of qualities, but you need to put it into action. So with this positive note, let's start this journey. All of you are starting a new journey in your life. Next 3 years, you'll be spending at gyms. These could be your foundation years, as they call it, for the next 10 to 15 years of your career. If you make the best use of it, if you learn through your teachers, through your friends in classes, you would end up with a successful career and perhaps far more better than most of your friends around you. But if you feel that, okay, college life is just about enjoyment, I have started a lot in my school, now I just want to spend 3 years enjoying, partying, moving out with my friends, going to movies, well, think about it. At gyms, we always encourage a balanced life. We also encourage our students to go for parties. We also encourage our students to participate in activities. Fortunately, gyms has the maximum number of activities throughout the year. I am very hopeful that by October or November, obviously nobody can predict with certainty, that the COVID situation would be better and we'll be inviting you to the campus and you would actually have a real life experience of all these activities. But in any case, as a management, as a faculty team, we have decided that we like to organize a lot more activities through online as well, which could be really interesting. especially debates, dramatics. In fact, I'm part of Rotary. So we have such wonderful events organized even online. We'll ensure that you have also, guest lectures from the industry. So as a team, we are ensuring that you get almost a similar experience, if not better, than a physical classroom learning. But having said that, what do you think really could be very different at GIMS? What is so unique about us? Any institution is characterized according to 5 pillars. Like any building, you need to have a strong foundation and 5 pillars. First is infrastructure. Fortunately, some of you, visited our campus in the last few days when the COVID situation was better. You would have realized that it's a serene, beautiful environment in the institutional area where you actually, want to learn. The environment is so nice. So I'm not talking about the labs, the library, the classrooms, all of you are familiar with that. But then comes to the most important, the faculty. You've already interacted with some of them. I'm sure some of you have already had some informal discussions as well. We have a very dedicated and a sincere team. I don't want to comment that they are the best, but I know that they are more dedicated and sincere than most of the other faculty. So that's an advantage. They'll be there for you whenever you need any help, personal counseling, guidance, anything, they'll be there for you. The third most important, which I feel, is corporate relations and placements. Most of you would be going for postgraduates, but also some of you would be looking for jobs. Especially people who are in specialized fields like hotel management, mass communication, interior design. Fortunately, our placement team is very active and your seniors have been placed in good companies. Maybe your initial salaries are, not too attractive, but if you'll speak to your seniors 3 years, 5 years down the line, not only their salaries, but their positions are really, really worth aspiring for. What could be the fourth pillar once we've taken care of the placements, the faculty, the infrastructure? What do you think could be the fourth pillar? Any guesses here? Well, the fourth pillar, which is the most important, is your students' success. Today, GIMS is known because of the success of the students over the last 20 years. I don't know if you know anyone who's passed out from GIMS in the year 2000, 2002, 2004, but if you'll interact with them, you'll get to know they've not only made a mark in their own personal lives, but also in the corporate world. I'm happy to share that some of their positions of vice presidents, senior managers, some of them have started their own very successful businesses. And we also invite these alumni regularly to the campus to share their experience with you. As a GIMS, as an institution, as a team, together, we'll make this learning a better experience. With this thought, let me thank all my faculty here for organizing this wonderfully, and also wish all my students the best of luck, that they have a wonderful learning experience in the next 3 years. Thank you, all of you. God bless you.
I will request our Honorable Chairman to stay back for a few minutes for our Chief Guest Address, Mr. Sandeep Nautiyal.
We feel very honored to have with us today Mr. Sandeep Nautiyal as the chief guest for the occasion. Mr. Sandeep Nautiyal is Senior Vice President, NPS and Special Projects in UTI Mutual Fund, New Delhi. A very warm welcome to you, sir, to the Orientation Day of GIMS VK2. Shri Sandeep Nautiyal is the Senior Vice President, NPS and Special Projects in UTI Mutual Fund, New Delhi, June 2014 onwards. He's been working extensively across India to spread awareness about the national pension system and mutual funds, busting myths about the capital markets and mutual fund investments. He has worked in Mumbai, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Meerut, and New Delhi offices of UTI. About his qualifications, he is a certified financial planner from Financial Planning Standards Board, India. He has an MBA in marketing. He is UTI Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers, Mumbai, Junior Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers, Mumbai. He has a Diploma in Capital Markets and Merchant Banking from Indian Institute of Bankers, Mumbai. He has a BSc Physics and Mathematics from HNB Garhwal University, Dehradun. He is also a guest faculty in Indian Institute of Capital Market, Vashi, Navi Mumbai, NIPSCOM Training Center for PCE PSU Bank Officers, Noida, FMS Delhi, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Power Management Institute, NTPC, Noida. Thank you, sir, for taking out time to be with us today. We now request you to please address the students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to congratulate each student of GEMS who has joined this year, because you have joined actually a very good institutions, having respected Chairman Sir Dograji and all the faculty members and dear students. My good wishes to you actually for the next 3 years. These are the foundation years when you actually involved in learning and your development of overall personality as such. I have been associated with GEMS for almost now 4-5 years as member of advisory board, and I can tell you that in advisory board also each and every, they are all sincerely thinking and maintaining basically this how we can actually improve the processes, improve the delivery, improve the infrastructure, the facilities, the course material for students. So on continuous basis, the only thing which goes in our mind is what better we can provide to the students, and that is how GEMS has actually made this culture of a very successful and very big brand in last almost 3 years. So you are out of school, and it gives you a very, I should say, a sense of freedom. But I tell you, with freedom comes responsibility. After working in a corporate sector for almost 26, 27 years, I have realized one thing. Your hard skills will actually, give you a breakthrough in corporate. Hard skills means basically what kind of proficiency, what kind of expertise you are having in what you have learned in college in next 3 years. This may get you a breakthrough, but I tell you, these hard skills, if they are coupled with your soft skill, especially of how you can communicate what you know, that will actually open gates for you in, I should say, your dream job or whatever you can think of actually joining after this these 3 years. So basically in these 3 years you have to utilize your time, one, for developing your hard skill, means learning the things which you have actually for which you have got this admission in GEMS, and second, and develop your soft skills. The most important soft skills basically which lay a strong foundation, or say in your career, the first and foremost comes the I should say, like, I may be wrong, like some people here may not agree with me, but for me the most important thing is confidence in you, basically. And confidence comes basically with two things. One is what kind of proficiency you are having in the subject, or whatever you have taken in these 3 years, or whatever you want to do, what kind of proficiency, how much time you have spent in learning that actually particular skill. And confidence comes when you can communicate effectively with I should say your own colleagues, seniors and juniors, and with the people, or say you are interacting in outside world. This communication skill become very important, because that will actually take you, see, it's like this. बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें पता होती है. They are very good proficient people in their own thing basically, but don't take a break. Because they are not able to explain what they know. So that thing will get you breaks. That is why communication skills are required. But I tell you, if this communication skill is not actually complemented with the execution part, means the attitude, the knowledge, whatever you will be requiring here, whether you will be able to execute it practically or not. This will, communication skill definitely will help you. But how good your theory, which you have learned in these next 3 years, how well you can execute in your professional life, that will set the path for your success. With these words, basically, I would like to close my address today. All the best to you. And I wish, I'm very sure about it. The faculty at GEMS and under the, able guidance and leadership of our chairman, sir, faculty at GEMS will provide you the best of things which a student requires. I'm very sure about it. It's up to you how you are going to observe and absorb things and develop your overall personality staying there in GEMS for next 3 years. Wish you luck, wish you very good luck, and thank you all of you for actually bearing me for 15, 20 minutes. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. That was indeed very motivating, and thanks for taking out time to be with us today.
It's my pleasure.
I now hand over the dais to Ms. Preeti Malhotra for a presentation about the college, its rules and regulations. Over to Preeti Malhotra, Ms. Preeti Malhotra now.
So a very, very hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of the management, faculty members and staff of our college. We welcome the torchbearers of the future. That is all of you. For the next 3 years, each one of us at GEMS will strive to transform you into a worthy brand ambassador of GEMS. This is your campus in the heart of South Delhi at Vasant Kunj institutional area. Hello. To give you an insight into the campus life, here is the pictorial profile of the campus you will be part of for the next 3 years.
Very wonderful.
On the screen are some of the activities that you will find yourself engaging in. In doing so, you will be assisted by a highly qualified and experienced faculty members. Many of us come with rich industry experience, and therefore we act as facilitators in your transition to a successful professional world. By signing up for the degree program at GEMS, perhaps the things that you're looking for are learning for graduation, being a smart professional, friends, fun, freedom, and a good social life. Well, GEMS provides all of that, but surprise, this is what we have locked you in. Strong academics, good human values, holistic personality development, ready for challenges, knowledge enhancement, and skills to learn on the job. And here comes your reality check, dear students. In the first year of your degree program, you will realize that there is no elevator to success. So happy climbing up the ladder. Let me bust the myth of group work right at the outset. Well, group study is a time-consuming exercise because you are ending up working for the group. And let me also share certain things that the faculty comes across and they discover. Well, the law of studentology being the paramount of all laws. Books continue to be in the state of rest till exams appear. And guess what? The American Declaration of Independence was signed at the bottom. So we discovered in your answer sheets. Now let us take a glance at what clock will look like to you for the next 3 years. You will wake up and then actually wake up and get ready for 8:20 a.m. lecture, followed by another lecture, and then yet another lecture and a fourth one before the lunch break. Facebooking will be rescheduled to 7 in the evening due to practicals and tutorials. Dinner will be followed by assignments. Sleep will be followed up by waking up and then, well, yet again waking up. And here is your formula for nirvana. Hard work, discipline, perseverance, initiative, training, and the golden rule. Practice, practice, practice. Among the opportunities that will come your way to become your brilliant best are online classes. Interacting in the class is a brilliant action point. Webinars, practicals, presentations, quizzes, debates, cultural and sports. All these events give you a reasonable opportunity to compete, excel, and accomplish. Industry interface by way of guest lectures, industry visits, and educational trips will be window for you to benchmark your skills against the industry relevant skills. GIMS gives you multiple opportunities to invent and reinvent yourself creatively. Each department has a festival, and the annual cultural bonanza, Zest and Dandiya, is a great platform to display your talents. Among the milestones in your journey with GIMS are midterm exams, assignments, attendance, and end-term exams. Coming to the library rules, 2 books are issued for 7 days and library stays a silent zone. Mobiles are a big no-no in the computer lab, and even bags are to be kept outside. Coming to the most important lesson, time management is life management. Your day at college starts at 8:20 and wraps up at 1, or your day starts at 1 and wraps up at 5:30. We as faculty members are keen on hearing from you. Students get to rate the faculty and your feedback is kept confidential. Academic assistants, class coordinators, and head of the departments may be contacted for sharing concerns, if any. Here is what will see you through the next 3 years smoothly. Be punctual, carry your iCards, keep your mobile switched off, dress appropriately, check emails and notice boards on a regular basis. 75% attendance is mandatory for you to be eligible to take the exams. You are required to submit 2 assignments per semester for internal assessment component of the overall evaluation. College property is your property, keep it unscratched. Follow instructions, help guards and security personnel serve you better. Notices are meant for you, leave them untouched. Campus is a no smoking zone, lock your vehicles when you park them. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Now let us take a quick glance at life at GIMS. We have a theatre club and a debating society, among many other clubs such as Rotary, which is the Cub Rotarian Club. Cultural festivals, Zest and Dandiya or celebrity nights will happen in the post-COVID times, as we all know, but these are some of these events that students really look forward to. And sports events will ensure that you acquire team spirit and competition-related skills. So once again, a very warm welcome to the GIMS family. Thank you. Over to Gurmeet ma'am for vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful presentation. Thanks for orienting the students to the environment of the college so comprehensively. Well, this brings us to the end of the program. Thank you all for being such patient audience. We wish you all the best for your academic journey, and we are sure that you will all achieve your goals with your determination, with your focus, with your attention. Thank you. This brings us to the end of the program.